Okay, so now for the second half of the thing. Now that you've finished the light and the light works, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the Altoid box, you're gonna clean it, make sure it's cleaned, wash it out. This one's not cleaned yet, but I would suggest you clean it. If they're little shavings like this, as you can see, these little shavings, you can get a little tin snip or something that metal snippers, like that. Scissors might work, but we'll see. But you can cut the little snips off, as you can see. You can cut them out, which I'm gonna do, clean them up. There's some in the inside, so I'm gonna come in and clean them up myself, just like that. Snap whatever's not there, whatever's sticking out and everything like that. So we're gonna do a little cleaning. Then you're gonna wash it, do any of the little washings and stuff like that. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna take electrical tape. I have red, or you can do blue. You can probably get these at a hardware store really quickly. What you're gonna do is you need to line the inside of the thing and line the outside and line the top. What it does is, because if you have metal and you're touching metal on electricity, they conduct, so you don't want that. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the tape, you're gonna size it, you're gonna plug it in, you're gonna size it, you're gonna plug it in, just kind of tape it in, tape it, cut it, and tape it. What's gonna happen, it's gonna look like this. You're gonna see, as you can see, I lined the sides. Skip the holes, don't do the holes. I have the hole on top, but you would have a hole on the side, but just don't tape around it. As you can see, I don't tape around the holes, which is good. And everything like that. So what's gonna happen after that, once you taped everything, the next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna find the little knob right here that I find. This thing is your next thing that you're gonna push in. You're gonna take this. If it doesn't fit, take a pair of scissors and kind of jam it in and then push around it, kind of swing it so it opens up. And then once you do that, you take it and you kind of like wiggle it in, get all three flaps in. And once you get all 3 flaps in, you can literally just push it in. It'll push it in just like that. So you'll have this thing all connected together. What's gonna happen now is you're gonna take your light, you're gonna put the 2 little rings on here. Take the 2 little rings, take the nut off of the thing, take the nut off of it. You're gonna try and push it in. You're gonna try and shove it in here, just like that. You push it in. Again, if it doesn't fit, just jam a pair of scissors in here, jam it and ram it in a little. Don't do it too much, because if it gets too big, you're gonna have to push it back in. But then all you do is slide it over, take this, take the nut that I just saw, and then you're gonna screw it in just like this, okay? Easy peasy lemon squeezy. So wait till I do that, get that turned over. Ooh, come on, come on. Come on, buddy. There we go. Maybe it's upside down. But once you get it in, screwed on just like that, now you're halfway done, okay? Now you're halfway done. This is the hard part. You might need some nails for this, but you're gonna put these rings on here. The rings are to secure the LED down from the little nuts, from the little screw things, okay? So what happens is you take the little screw thing, just like this screw thing, it's supposed to, you've already popped it in, it's supposed to fit right through, it's supposed to push right through over, like that, and it's supposed to secure it. Then the ring is going to secure it, but you can't do that yet. What you have to do is push it through, and that's what happens. You're gonna need some nails. You're gonna need some good old-fashioned nails, or you take a pen or something so you can ram it through, push it through in any way, shape, or form. It should be sticking out just like that. Literally just push it out just like that. And then you take the rings. I know it's black and you can't see it, but you take the rings and slide it over. Essentially, that's what you're doing. Essentially, you're locking it in place. These things will lock in place just like that. Then all you have to do is kind of like push everything together. Make sure nothing's shorting each other, and then you squeeze it all in, and there you go. You have a nice, beautiful flashlight that's completely done. Remember to tape the top, the bottom, and the sides with electrical tape, and then that's it, essentially. All right, and then there's your project. Yay!